Book Summary: The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Today, we're diving into one of the most insightful and practical books on personal finance, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with financial concepts, this book simplifies complex ideas into actionable steps. J.L. Collins doesn't just talk about getting rich, he offers a roadmap to financial independence, breaking down investment strategies that anyone can follow, regardless of income. Ready to learn how to build wealth the easy way? Let's get started. The story behind the book. J.L. Collins wrote The Simple Path to Wealth as a guide for his daughter, who wasn't particularly interested in financial matters. He wanted to give her a clear, no-nonsense approach to managing money and investing wisely. The advice proved so valuable that he decided to share it with the world. This book isn't about getting rich quickly, it's about building long-term wealth through smart decisions, patience, and simplicity. Key concepts. Financial independence. At the core of the book is financial independence, the idea that you can achieve freedom by saving and investing wisely. Financial independence isn't just about having money, it's about having choices. Imagine living life on your terms, working because you want to, not because you have to. Collins lays out a clear strategy to reach that goal, emphasizing that anyone, regardless of their starting point, can achieve financial independence with the right mindset and tools. The power of simplicity. Index funds. One of the most crucial lessons in this book is the power of simplicity. Collins advocates for a straightforward investment strategy: index funds. Instead of chasing individual stocks or trying to time the market, he recommends putting your money into low-cost index funds, particularly the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, SAX. Why? Because index funds automatically diversify your investments and follow the overall market, which has consistently grown over time. Historically, the stock market yields around 7 to 10% annual returns when averaged out, making it a powerful wealth-building tool if you're patient. The magic of compound interest. Collins emphasizes the importance of starting early to take advantage of compound interest, which he calls the eighth wonder of the world. The earlier you start investing, the more your money works for you. Small amounts grow exponentially over time, making compound interest one of the most powerful forces in building wealth. Avoiding debt, a key lesson. One of the book's recurring themes is the importance of avoiding unnecessary debt. Collins warns against lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending as your income grows. He stresses living below your means and saving aggressively, even when you start making more money. Debt, particularly credit card debt, can be a huge obstacle to financial independence, and the book provides practical advice on how to avoid falling into this trap. FU money, why you need it. One of the most talked about concepts in The Simple Path to Wealth is FU money. This isn't about being rude, it's about having enough savings that you can make life decisions without being dependent on your job. This financial cushion gives you the power to walk away from a job, situation, or even a relationship that no longer serves you. It's financial freedom in its truest sense, peace of mind. The 4% rule. How much do you really need? Collins simplifies the often daunting question of how much money do I need to retire? By introducing the 4% rule. This rule suggests that if you save enough to withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio annually, you can live off your savings without running out of money. For example, if you want to live on $40,000 per year, you'll need to accumulate $1 million in investments. 4% of $1 million is $40,000. It's a simple and practical way to estimate your financial goals. Avoid fear and greed. Emotional control. Another critical takeaway is learning to manage emotions in investing. Collins stresses the importance of not letting fear or greed drive your financial decisions. The stock market will have ups and downs, but staying the course and avoiding emotional reactions is crucial to long-term success. He reminds readers that the market has always bounced back from crashes, and those who stay invested during downturns are the ones who ultimately benefit when the market recovers. Embrace the freedom of financial independence. As the book concludes, J.L. Collins reiterates that the ultimate goal of financial independence is freedom, not just from work, but from worry. It's about gaining control over your life and your time. The path may seem slow, but by following his simple, proven strategies, anyone can achieve financial freedom. Key takeaways. Invest in low-cost index funds, diversify and grow your wealth without the complexity of stock picking. Start early to harness compound interest, The sooner you begin, the less you'll need to invest to reach your goals. Live below your means, avoid lifestyle inflation and debt to maximize savings. Aim for FU money, build a financial cushion to live life on your own terms. Stay the course, don't let fear or greed dictate your investment decisions, trust the market over the long term. Final thoughts. The Simple Path to Wealth delivers exactly what its title promises, an easy-to-follow guide to financial freedom. It teaches us that building wealth doesn't have to be complicated. By keeping your finances simple and sticking to a long-term strategy, financial independence is achievable for anyone. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, this book offers the perfect starting point.